Hi friends, welcome to Speciopedia. Speciopedia presents number 34.
Hi friends, welcome to Speciopedia. I am back with a new video. This is our 34th video. In yesterday's video, we see about star birth, and in today's video, we will discuss about exoplanets. So, let's start the video. Exoplanets. The first exoplanet, a planet outside our solar system orbiting an ordinary star, was discovered in 1995. Since then, astronomers have found more than 1,000 of these alien worlds, some of which are similar to Earth and may even harbor life. Until the 1990s, the only planets known to science were the 8 planets that orbit our Sun. People suspected that planets might orbit other stars, but such worlds were impossible to detect because of vast distances separating them from us. However, as telescopes became more advanced, astronomers began to notice faint changes in the color or intensity of light from distant stars, which suggested planets were passing in front of them. Careful studies followed, and the first exoplanet was confirmed in 1995. Hundreds of extrasolar systems have now been discovered, some with as many as 7 planets. These range from small, probably rocky worlds like Earth to giants with rings 200 times wider than Saturn's. There may be hundreds of billions of exoplanets in our galaxy. The Kepler 62 system. In 2013, the Kepler Space Telescope discovered 5 exoplanets orbiting the star Kepler 62, which lies 11 billion million kilometers from Earth. The picture below is an artist's impression of the planets, which are too far away to photograph. 2 of them orbit in stars' habitable zone, where the temperature is right for life. Like all newly discovered exoplanets, the planets in Kepler 62 have catalog names but may receive proper names in the future. The first planet in the Kepler 62 system is Kepler 62b, which is sun-scorched. And this is the image. The planet Kepler 62b orbits very close to the star, zipping around it every 5-6 days. Its surface temperature is 475 degrees Celsius, probably too hot for life. The second planet is Kepler 62c, which is Mars-sized. And this is the image. Kepler 62c is about the size of Mars. It is fiercely hot with a surface temperature of 300 degrees Celsius. Third planet. This is the largest planet, and it is Kepler 62d. Kepler 62d's size suggests it has gravity to hold on a thick atmosphere. Its surface is hotter than boiling water. Then, fourth, Kepler 62e. This is Earth-like planet. Kepler 62e is one of the most Earth-like planets known. Its surface temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, which means it may have liquid water, a cloudy atmosphere, and even life. And this is the image of Kepler 62e. Then, cold Earth, which is Kepler 62f. Kepler 62f is similar to 62e but colder than it. It may have surface water and ice. Its year is 267 days long, and its surface gravity is probably stronger than Earth's. And this is the image of Kepler 62f. Worlds beyond. This artist's impression shows how the Kepler 62 system might look from the planet 62f. Planet 62e looms in the sky nearby, while the other 3 planets and the Kepler 62 star are visible in the background. Habitable zone. 2 of the planets in the Kepler 62 system orbit in an area known as habitable zone or Goldilocks zone, where temperatures are just right for water to exist as a liquid on a planet's surface. Many scientists think liquid water is essential for life to flourish. First photo of exoplanet. This blurry image, taken in 2004, is the first photo of an exoplanet, which appears as a brown blob next to its brighter parent star. The planet is a type known as hot Jupiter, a boiling hot gas giant It lies about 2 million billion kilometers from Earth. So let's see some fast facts. First, the largest known exoplanet is about 30 times bigger than our Jupiter. Second, Fomalhaut in the constellation Pisces Astonis is the brightest known star with an exoplanet. Third, in the year 1584, Italian scholar Giordano Bruno predicted the existence of exoplanets. Fourth, astronomers reckon there could be 11 billion Earth-like habitable exoplanets in our galaxy. So friends, I hope that you liked this information and the video. So goodbye and take care. We will meet again at 10 p.m.